Hello everyone, today we'll work with our splits and how to stretch here. First what you're starting to do, let's sit in this position and starting working with two legs. Slowly, 3, open, 4, and 5, stay, and starting 2, sit, 3, sit, 4, sit. So guys, if you want to sit in this position, try to take leg and slowly open on of yourself and close. 3, 4, and 5, stay so long. On this side, take our breeze and we starting slowly, turning it in this up. So after that, we'll try pushing legs up. So one, good work, take the legs, take your breeze, slowly breathe out and slide down. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me and go and watch. Уже так жарко, что не хочется закрыть.
Да, мне тоже уже.
Hello everyone, they will do this position and how to prepare your legs for this position. Our leg is strong in looking in another side and we will take hand inside 4 and 5. So guys, if you want beautiful split, stay with me. Slowly go down and stretch. 2, 4 and 5. Okay, just get seated in this position in the sides. 2, 3, stay, and now try to take our hip. Okay, and starting 1, 2, 3, 4, and take our breeze. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3. For watching, I hope that you like it. Subscribe me and text me like so. Bye bye. Hello everyone, thank you that you were on my stream. Today we will have stretching. Я уже сказала. So let's continue.
Готов?
Hello everyone, some exercises which help you to do that. So let's start. So first what you're starting to do, you will get hands back. So please stay with me and we will continue. Okay, after that we will try to this side. So 2 and 3 and change and 3. Okay, after that we will take on the knees. Take stretch leg, so 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take our hips up. Okay, good work. Slowly take stretch and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take me like so. Bye bye. Hello everyone.
If you want that,
Hello everyone, today we'll do the split. Stretch your body and prepare for the split. Okay, so first what you're starting to do, we'll take more higher. We'll start working 1 and stretch 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and slowly stretching up. So 1, 2, and 5, stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Take our leg and try stay in this position and feel the comfortable. So 1, 2, and slide on this side more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly get up, take breathe, slowly breathe out and slide down. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, text me likes and
я вот так перехожу туда, но сюда. Нет, сегодня у нас такой.
No? А вот так вот все.
Готово?
Some exercises which help you to do this element. So if you're interested, I will take like on this side and now a little bit stretch our body. So I will take my elbow and 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want beautiful split, fall, take this side and push it up. So 2, 5 stays this pose and starting to push our leg more. So 1 and 5. After that, we will try taking this leg another hand. 3, 4, and 5. Inside up our leg. Amazing work. Take the legs together. Take a lot. 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much. Which elements you want to see in my another video. So bye bye. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So if you're interested and watching what we're starting to do, we will work with our knees. We'll start to take our knee. 4, 5. If you want good split, follow me. After that, we will start working with our knees. Take more for yourself and push. 5. Working over our hip. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, taking cover back, pushing 4 and 5, taking amazing core, take two legs together, slowly breathe out and slide down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and take some likes. So bye bye. Hello everyone, today we'll do split on the floor and how to do this for this split. So stay with me and we will just continue. Okay, after that we'll take stretch our right leg and start to do big circle our right and 4. And now we'll change side of circle. So 3. So guys, if you want good splits, stay with me. First one, pushing on the other side and down. Okay, let's start. 1, 4, and 5. Try to take our knees. I will help my right. 2, 3, 4. And slowly slide down for the split. Amazing work. Slowly stand up. On. Breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subscribe and take 3 likes and going to watch my other content because I will make videos for you. Будем делать что такое прикольный шпагат. Я не помню. Прикольно? Так, с 6 сторон извиняюсь. Они раньше начали уходить, просто сейчас подтягиваются.
Ужас.
Жарко.
Студия. Ужас.
Может как-то так? Stretch your body for the element. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So first what you start is pushing down and open our hips. So 2, 3. With this leg, feel pushing. 1, 2, 3. Take our hands and do pushing for our leg. So if you want good stretching, stay with me now. 1, 2, 3. Take a pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 1, 2, 3. Stay in this side. Okay, take 2 legs together. Take over 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe me and take care.
А что, ты на телефоне хочешь работать?
Скажи, может, приоткрыть окошко чуть-чуть?
Не. Это?
To stretch your spine, so don't say a lot. Let's start working. So first, what you're starting to do: 3, 4, and 5. After that, working with 3, 4, and 5. After that, slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the floor, take over. Walk on this side, and then start taking cord, take it. 3, 4, 5. Okay, upper back. So 1, 2, 3. Slowly take 2 legs together and start counting 1, 2, 3. So much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe. And text me likes, subscribe, and write me in the comment.
Слушайте, прикольно такое упражнение с девочкой, она делала вот так, раз, два, три, ну, на растяжку задней мышцы. И, ну, она так не делает.
Вот и заберем.
Потом фолд обняв ножки она стояла, и полностью руки, и прогиб спины.
Что, вот так вот?
Да, такая вот так вот она начинала, и потом ходьба
Вот
вот,
так вот?
ну, ходьба с наклоном на
Надо ходить. Вот так вот, типа?
Да, вот наклон, да, пошла, наклон, да. Ножки обняла, постояла да, в этом самом, да. Тоже прикольно. Давай присядь.